Are you launching your first product ad campaign on Amazon, but the dashboard metrics are confusing you? Let's dive in and get some clarity. Hi, this is Rutvi here, and today we are going to talk about how these Amazon advertising metrics that will eventually help you to boost the performance of the campaigns and increase the profitability. Let's discuss some of the crucial Amazon advertising metrics. First is impressions. Impressions basically shows how often your ad is displayed on the SERP. More the impressions, that means more your product was visible to the potential audience. Second is clicks and CTR. Clicks, as the name suggests, that means the number of clicks that your product had received. CTR is broadly known as click-through rate. Amazon measures the percentage of users who clicks on your ads after seeing it. So it's basically the number of clicks your campaigns hold compared to the impressions your campaigns received. A good CTR percentage varies by product and industry, but generally above 1% is considered favorable. If your campaign faces lower CTRs, that means it's time for you to optimize your ad copy. You can start with optimizing your product's main image, product title, and check on the price competitiveness. The third metric is CPC. This term is basically cost per click. It shows the average value that you are paying per click on your keywords and the targets. Next is conversion rate. Conversion rate shows the percentage of clicks that successfully results into a purchase. A higher conversion rate shows higher profitability and better campaign performance. That basically indicates that you are pulling out the right audience. The next is ACoS. This term is broadly known as advertising cost on sales. It simply calculates ad spending over the sales that your campaigns generated. A lower ACoS is desirable, but this metric goal varies on the product's margins and profitability. Next is RoAS. This term is broadly known as return on ad spends. This basically means that it measures revenue generated over each dollar that you have spent on your Amazon's advertising campaigns. The next metric is NTB. This term is broadly known as new to brand customers. It evaluates the number of unique customers that your brand has received over the past 12 months period of time. This metric is limited to only sponsored brands and sponsored display ads. This metric really helps an advertiser to track the campaign's efficiency to pull the new customers to their brands. All these metrics will really help an advertiser to measure their campaign's performance and work on achieving their brand goals. Having a good understanding on Amazon's advertising metrics gives an upper hand to the advertisers to optimize their campaigns but also have a good hold on their profitability. Whether you are new to Amazon ads or are thinking to enhance your existing strategies, having a good understanding on metrics will surely help you to achieve your goals. I hope this information was helpful, and for more such Amazon related queries, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy selling.